Hello everyone, I am Lalit Sharma from the Venkateshwar School, Gurugram. Now we will discuss how we can apply universal law of gravitation in the practical situation. See, what we had studied is every object in this universe is applying force on other object due to its mass. So if we are having this situation, we have to calculate magnitude of gravitational force between Earth and 1 kg object on its surface. See, this is Earth and an object is placed here. Say this is of mass 1 kg and Earth mass is given, it is this, and radius of Earth is also given. This is radius of Earth. So how we can apply force to calculate value of force? Newton's law states that force between two objects is given by the formula G into mass 1, that is mass of Earth, and second mass, that is mass of object, and square of the distance between them, and distance between them is R, that is radius of Earth. So this is the formula for force, and if we put value of G here, it is 6.67 into 10 raised to power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. And if we put value of mass of Earth, it is 6 into 10 raised to power 24 kg. And it is, if we put value of mass of object, it is 1 kg and it is kg square, and divide by distance between them, and it is radius of Earth, and it is 6.4 into 10 raised to power 6 meter raised to power 2 means meter square. If we cut these units, what we will get? Unit of this value is Newton. If we simplify this, we will get this result. So force between the object and the Earth is 9.8 Newton. This is the application of universal law of gravitation. So whatever be the mass of object, if mass is given and the distance between them is given, we can calculate force of gravitation between them. Thank you.